Hi guys, welcome to Industrial CAD tutorials. In this Blender tutorial we are going to create a hard surface model like a mechanical part. I will show you in this, and you can observe this is the interface of the Blender. This is the default cube. You can observe on the screen. I am selecting the cube, and after that I am deleting the cube here by pressing the X and the delete option. After that, shift A, add a cylinder and go to the add cylinder. I want to change the vertices. Here the default vertices group is 32. I want to change the vertices group to 3. I want the 3 vertices only. Keep it as constant, radius, depth on all of the options. After that, you can observe the 3 vertices group is created. I want to give the vertices to 8 vertices I want. You can see the hexagonal is created. Then after I am going to the edit mode here. By selecting the object, you can observe the face select on the top. Select the face select. I am selecting the faces for to delete by pressing the X and simply delete the faces. The faces are deleted. I want to delete the bottom face also. Selecting the face. Then after go on to the vertices on the edit mode. Select any of the 2 vertices by pressing the S. Reduce the size of the vertex on the bottom. Simply scale this by pressing the X. Then after the scale by using the vertices, then after I want to move the vertices like this. You can also along the y-axis, move like this, and again like this. Select the vertices along the y-axis. Then after change the view. Along the x-axis, along the x-axis, see, like this. You can move the planes by using the edit mode by the help of vertices. Then after I want to create a cuts here on the top. For this I want to select the vertices like this. Select the vertices, first vertex point and the second vertex point, and give the connect to vertex path. Connect vertex path. Again I want to select on the horizontal also. Connect vertex path like this. First of all I want to create a number of faces on vertices for this object. You can see the vertices edges faces here. I want to create a vertices by pressing the loop cuts here like this. On horizontal also I want to create a loop cuts. See, some of the number of vertices are created. Then after I want to select the face. By pressing X, delete the faces. Now after I want to create the, here also I want to create a faces. Here I am selecting the face. Here also I want to create the n number of loop cuts like this. And after going to the knife topology tool, can simply select this like this and give the enter key. This is the one method. You can also, by selecting the vertices, also you can select by using the convert vertex path. Follow the process on all sides. Then after I want to bevel the object, go into the edit mode, select the edge, control, give the segments to 6 and again select the edge, repeat the process on all sides. For creating lot of faces and the vertices will help the object to make a smooth surface. How many number of faces and the edges are there, it is very helpful to make a smooth object. It's look realistic also. Can go into the object mode and the edit mode, you can observe. Go to the object mode, you can off the wireframe here. You want to see the statistics of the how many vertices edges are there, you can turn on the statistics mode here. A number of options are there on the viewport. Can observe on the model, you can see like this, and simply select the object. Then after give the auto shade smooth and auto smooths on the data properties normals to 30. After that, go into the object mode and select the modifiers. You can observe modifier properties and go into the add modifier and select the solidify first and give the thickness to 0.01, or as you wish you can increase the thickness value. I'm giving the 0.01 1 mm thickness like this. Somewhat minor thickness I am assigning to the object. Then after I am going to the subdivision surface for to make a smooth. You can observe, give the level ports to 4 and the render to 4. You can get a smooth object like this. Then after By pressing the shift and the right click, the 3D cursor will move anywhere on the space. I want to move the 3D cursor to by pressing the shift key and the right click. The 3D cursor I want to move because I want to mirror the object on the other side also, align on the Z axis. For this you should move the origin. This is the red point is the origin. The origin is the main source for to make the object. By using the bevel operation, any of the tools you can use, it depends upon the origin only. By selecting the origin on the object mode, not on the edit mode, go to the object mode and select the shift and the right click anywhere. First make a 3D cursor on the specific area, then go into the red point. This is the origin point, and select the point and give this right click and give the set origin to 3D cursor. The origin is moved into the 3D cursor. You can observe the origin is on the 3D cursor. Again I want to move this set origin to 3D cursor. Then after I want to add a modifier here. Give the add modifier tool, give the mirror option and give the X, Y, Z. It is on along the Z axis. I want give the Z axis and turn off the X axis. Now after select the both the objects, the right click on the object mode, go to the edit mode, can see the object is exactly connected. Then after apply the all of the modifiers, change the mode to object mode and select the all of the vertices and edges. Give the modifiers, apply all of the modifiers to the object. Then all modifiers are applied. Then after select the object, pressing the scale option, you can increase or decrease the scale. What I shown in the thumbnail, the object is created same as like this. You can observe and go to the edit mode. You can observe the vertices like this. You can create the different types of models by using the hard surface modeling. Hard surface requires the lot of vertices and edges for to create the objects. That's it guys, thanks for watching.
Wow.